The best way to upgrade your factory speakers up front are with a component speaker system. Polk Audio's DB6502 kills multiple birds with one stone. You get two 6.5-inch woofers, two 3/4-inch tweeters, plus external crossovers, all for under $150. 6.5-inch speakers are the most commonly used in vehicles today, so these will fit most applications. The system also comes with speaker adapter mounting plates to help fit even more size applications to ensure that you'll have no issues during your installation. Also included in the box are flush mount tweeter cups, surface mount tweeter cups, speaker grills, flush metal clamps, 6 lengths of speaker wire taps, and hardware. This 4-ohm system handles up to 100 watts RMS of power, 300 watts max, so they'd be ideally used when powered by an aftermarket amplifier. Keep it in the family and look into the Polk Audio PA660 4-channel amplifier. Link for that in the bio. Not only do Polk's DB Plus or Dynamic Balance series speakers have amazing value, they back up the talk and perform well. Their laser image design ensures minimal distortion, a smooth response, and incredible sonic detail. The component system's massive frequency range of 35 to 20,000 Hz ensures you won't miss out on any of your music. One of the best parts of these speakers are their IP56 marine certification, meaning they're water and dirt resistant, plus tested for salt, fog, UV, and humidity. These have a universal fit and can be installed in any vehicle. Automobiles, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, you name it. The woofers feature a polypropylene cone with a strong rubber surround for excellent playback even in stressful situations. Use the included grills to add a clean look compared to your factory speaker covers. Polk's 3/4-inch silk dome tweeters focus on precise highs and a smooth sound. They come with multiple fitment options with flush mount or surface mount cups, depending on the style of your dash and interior. Every speaker system needs a crossover of some type, and Polk Audio's external crossovers feature high-quality components and have terminals for input, woofer, and tweeter. They have been designed to allow easy placement in door panels, under dashboards, or in kick panels. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. But if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.